everybody. How are you? Hope y'all feel good. Today, as you can see, uh, the theme, the thing that we're gonna talk about, what is the devotional of today talking about? It's what? Of course, that now we are about to talk. We talk. What? Oh my God! Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Just a second. That I will probably. No. Maybe. I'm sorry. I'm a person. I'm a person. Person always do that. Okay. So today we're gonna talk about doorbells, or in the old way, knock knock. Okay. Okay. So, um, what is the? Where are we going to talk? Uh, this text is really important. Is a very known text. Oh my God, it's also a test. You guys will see. That is on John chapter 10, verse 7 and 9. Yeah. So we're gonna read and talk about it after. So Jesus say again, I am telling you the truth, and I am the gate for the sheep. Verse 9, I am the gate. Those who come in by me will be saved. They will come in and go out and find pasture. Okay? So, what does it mean? We're gonna discover together. Okay? So, what is the things that I would like to you pay attention for that? Here, Jesus said that He are the gate. Okay? So what gate in the gates today, right? Have also the old days have some kind of different doorbells that sometimes don't exist more from today. I don't know. Maybe they do. I never see them again. Uh, I don't know. Maybe you guys remember. It's like a circle that you can do that. Always are in on the mood doors, right? So we also can knock, and we also can that ones that we also can have that ones that say that ding dong, you know. So or maybe not, maybe have a lot of other ways. Have that kind of bells that when the person comes into a store, maybe not for your house, but into a store, when the person come and open the door, the the wind uh, make the bell like say ring. I don't know, like do the sound, and the owner of the store will recognize that. Oh my God! Oh, yes, I have to know what that people want. Yeah. So here's the door, and I think very interesting is that why we're talking about that. He was talking before about the that he are the shepherd, and we are the sheep, but he also the gate, the door, and we are the persons that will pass into it. You know, we're gonna like walk into the door to get in, and or maybe don't do that, but to get out too. I don't recommend that for you. So some notes that I take. So are you lost between the doors? Why? Because the door have a song, have a little old song for children. that I love songs for children, doesn't you guys? It's so nice, and you always can learn with them in a simple way to talk to children understand us, and yeah, it's so in the rhythm is always so nice and joyful. So have an old song for children here in Brazil that says that I have to look to the translator because it's in Portuguese. So in English, it is like the door is only one. Out hope there is two sides. Where are you now? I'm already inside. The question is, where are you now? Maybe you are in front of the right door, the door of Jesus, right? But maybe you are wondering, thinking, I get in, I stay here, I should walk away. Why? Why? Or you guys already, so here says that in the verse 9, I am the gate. Those who come in by me will be saved. They will come and go out. Because have some persons that are here in the gate, on the side of. Uh, you guys understood? In the side of the inside, and have the outside, right? And they are here, but they can go out. Is the same thing when a person are in a church and they just feel sad with something, mad with something, and or angry, and go out, or maybe disappointed. I don't know. Go out and come back to the world, and maybe don't come back to church again. And sometimes not. Sometimes they come back again. When that happens, it's great. So that's the meaning. So the other one is, are you lost between two doors or more doors? Right? I know a pastor that is a person. I know a pastor that his name I wrote here because I always I think that it's good to remember the names of the pastors, that when you see a message or the persons that you know, guys. So the pastor Daniel Takashi Kiara, he says that if we are here, Jesus says that the door of the the place the ships go into is simple and don't have nothing to that is really attractive to call, and the way is really teeny, you know. So um, so he said that if it was about us, it is not. It is about God. But if it was in our hands, how we will uh, dress, get the door ready for people. We'll probably do a big entrance with I don't know, with neon lights, LED lights, and some words like welcome or come here, get into it, come in, right? To the people, to attract people. But no, he is on the gate. He is the gate, and we are free to come in and go out. But in this way, I have a big problem, a little problem that starts and becomes bigger. That is what sometimes you start to see a nice door there, but look, have a door better there, and that door is so nice. The other is so pretty, you know. Have doors, a lot of millions of doors that are so beautiful, so nice, so more cooler than the door of Jesus, you know. So why should I stay here? Because that door shines, and here it's a common door. Don't doesn't have nothing to. why I should be here. If there's a door, one door, two doors, three doors, so nice. So you started like that, but when maybe if you realize the error, the mistake, you'll try to come back. But when you try to come back, you probably get lost into the way back. You cannot find the way back. You lost yourself into this way back or into so many nice doors that you can see that you don't know what you have to you don't know why you can have more because there's so many, so nice, so attractive, so that's so cool. And here, I don't know, have something different that I never knew, you know, and that's a really problem. Other thing that, oh yeah, come back to the safe place. The the place that Jesus was talking about to take care of the sheep and the door, right? Is a safe place, is a place where the ships will not be afraid. They have him to don't let any thief come and stole them, you know? So, I don't know about you guys, but me, when I go to travel, or I don't know, when I go at the supermarket or something, I don't know, some place that it's a kind of far from my home, the time start to pass by and I start to get answers to come back home because home or houses are a place, a safe place for us. You know, when you come from a trip, you were in vacation and you come back home. When you come, the first thing that you can do is what? Sleep. You will sleep a lot of hours without being worried about nothing, maybe, probably. Because why? Why don't you have that peace to sleep on the place that you were? Because it's not your safe place. It's not your place there. Maybe you was there, but you're not from there. You understood? So he's our safe place. You know, he is the door that protect us into a safe place and from the outside world. That is the message that I would like to preach to you guys, to teach you guys, to show you guys, to share with you. And again, I would like to ask you, where are you now? I'm already inside. Where are you now? Hmm? So think about it, and I hope you choose the door of Jesus. See you next Saturday. Shabbat Shalom.